Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with us a very wonderful opportunity. This opportunity has been around for some time. Precisely April this year, this opportunity came on board and it has already been changing lives. So today I want to present to you this very great opportunity. Before I start, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and hit the subscription button, like our videos, share our videos with friends and family, business associates, so that the videos will go viral and also make other people to benefit from it. Support us by subscribing to our channel. We want to meet our target of 1,000 subscribers and above. You can support us by hitting the subscription button. Once more, you are welcome. So today I present to you this wonderful opportunity called VITALIK'S Kitchen. Now, before we go into the presentation, disclaimer is that cryptocurrencies or crypto assets are volatile products. Have very high risk and also high profit. You can make money easily dealing in cryptocurrencies. You can also lose money very fast in cryptocurrencies. Also take the note of the fact that I am not a financial advisor. What I'm doing here is just to share an opportunity that I have come across, which I'm also taking advantage of. But whatever opportunities that you want to take advantage of, you need to do your own due diligence so that you'll be able to take risk that they can afford to bear. So I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm presenting here is for mere education and entertainment. Thank you as you watch this video. Now, one will ask, what is VITALIK'S Kitchen all about? VITALIK'S Kitchen is the best Web3 income system around that guarantees you financial freedom. You earn between 2 to 8% passive income for 365 days. It's 100% fully decentralized. I can tell you it's the most sustainable DeFi yield BNB miner. That's why we're encouraging everyone that comes across the opportunity to see how he or she can be part of it. I will not be able to read all the major items here on this presentation because I want this video to be as short as possible. However, it's important to note that VITALIK'S Kitchen is a Web3 DeFi yield BNB miner, like I said, built on the Binance SmartChain network. Gives investors complete control over their money and generates daily passive income of 2 to 8%. That's what it's all about. Of course, you know that the BNB is the third largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the BNB, as a cryptocurrency, belongs to Binance. We know that Binance is the greatest or the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now. So that this business opportunity gives you the opportunity to be mining BNB, one of the greatest cryptocurrencies of our time. Now, for instance, if you invest a certain amount of BNB on the platform, using the registration link that you will see at the description of this video. The minimum entry fee is 0.05 BNB, which is, as we speak now, is less than $20. And then BNB that you invest will be used to hire chefs, and these chefs do the mining for you. They mine the BNB coins for you for 365 days. So it means that you cannot withdraw your initial deposit at once, at any time. In exchange, you will earn minimum of 2% daily interest on as return on investment. So your initial investment will be recovered between 6 to 8 weeks, while your earning the remaining weeks will be pure profit. You don't need to be clicking anything, you don't need to do anything, just it's on autopilot. As you invest, it's on autopilot. The mining will be generating for you day by day. It's as simple as that. Now, how do you go about it? You just download and install the Trust Wallet from your Google Play Store if you don't have it. Keep your secret phrase, the 12 words I will send to you, secure them. It's used for recovery, just in case of anything. Fund your Trust Wallet with this, the BNB. Enough funding, like I told you, is 0.05. That's the minimum investment. Depending on how much you want to invest. If you want to invest much more, you make more profit. Then copy the registration link that you see at the description of this video. Paste the registration link on your dapp browser, on your Trust Wallet dapp browser. Then make sure you change the network to SmartChain and connect your wallet. Type in the amount of BNB that you want to invest or stake. Click on Enter Kitchen, that's deposit. Approve the transaction. That's all. Claim your daily earnings once you start getting rewards. In fact, as you invest, leave it for say 10 minutes. You'll see that it has already started generating. On the platform, if you see higher chips, that means compound. Higher chips means that you are compounding the reward you have received. Once you click higher chip, that is compounding. And as you compound, you make more profits. That's basically what this investment is all about. Now, some of the advantages, some of the unique benefits of VITALIK'S Kitchen is low entry fee, $20 or less. You can withdraw anytime. No experience needed. You don't need any skill or qualification. No mandatory referral. No selling or tax involved. It's Web3 based. You know, Web3, when you talk about Web3, that's the latest. Decentralized. The smart contract is running on blockchain automatically. Everything is, you don't need any admin. Nothing like that. No government regulation can stop blockchain. The developer cannot choose to shut down. The developer has hands are off. In fact, the developer is an investor. Is an investor like you and I in the business. So the contract is fully verified, no backdoor or vulnerability, no worry about sites going down or being hacked. 100% fully centralized platform. You are in control of the investment. Transaction is fast, more convenient. We have 100% safe as long as blockchain technology exists. So VITALIK'S Kitchen offers you 2 ways to earn incredible fortunes. Passive income, you are 2 to 8% daily for 365 days. Digital income, you get 10% for anyone that you refer directly. Second level referrals, 2%, then 1% for your third level referrals. If you like kitchen like BTC, Ethereum, and BNB, and other crypto tokens, is sustainable by continual community support. And the kitchen ecosystem combines the centralized exchange DX. So, what are we talking about here? A good opportunity to earn passive income. That's what VITALIK'S Kitchen is. Now, let's look at the platform itself. On I have to pause this video now. I'm putting my password. Let's pause this video. I'm putting my password. Okay, so here, for instance, it's my Trust Wallet. Because I've been using it, the link is already there. So what I simply do if I want to enter into my account, you just simply click it to open. To open. Look at it. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So the minimum investment is 0.05 BNB. Now once you type what you want to invest, for instance, you want to invest now, just type the amount. You can see 0.05. As simple as that. Just enter kitchen. That's all. You approve. Now for me, now that's already in the has already invested, you can see my reward. If I want to compound it, I simply click higher chef. It will compound. It will compound. Now if I want to claim it, want to withdraw, just simply click claim. To go straight to my wallet. It's as simple as that. Now if you see here, you see referrals. You can see what I'm earning from referrals. So if you also bring in people to join you in the business, you also earn from referrals. That's how it is. The more chef you hire by reason of compounding, the more profit you make, the more faster your reward grows. So this is how the business looks like. So go ahead, use the link I will leave by the description of this video to sign in and become part of what we are doing. Enjoy it. It's a sustainable business. The most important thing is its sustainability. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Share this video. Let this video go viral. Also, give us a thumb up. Like the video so that YouTube will release it for many others to see it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you much more for taking steps concerning this opportunity. I don't want this video to last longer than this. I want to appreciate you so much. See you on the other side. More videos like this will continue to come, so feel free to subscribe, make yourself part of the channel, and enjoy the videos that will continue to upload here. Thank you, and bye for now.